Hello and welcome to Nihongo Flow. Today, you'll learn 10 essential Japanese greetings that you can use every day. Listen, repeat, and enjoy learning Japanese. Let's begin. Greeting 1.
おはようございます。おはようございます。
Good morning. Use this greeting in the morning. Repeat after me.
おはようございます。
Greeting 2.
こんにちは、こんにちは、
Hello. Use this during the daytime. Repeat after me.
こんにちは。
Greeting 3.
こんばんは、こんばんは、
Good evening. Use this after sunset. Repeat after me.
こんばんは。
Greeting 4.
はじめまして、はじめまして、
Nice to meet you. Say this when you meet someone for the first time. Repeat after me.
はじめまして、
Greeting 5.
よろしくお願いします。よろしくお願いします。
A polite phrase after introducing yourself. Repeat after me.
よろしくお願いします。
Greeting 6.
行ってきます。行ってきます。
I'm leaving. Say this when you leave your home. Repeat after me.
行ってきます。
Greeting 7.
行ってらっしゃい。行ってらっしゃい。
Have a good day. Say this to someone leaving home. Repeat after me.
行ってらっしゃい。
Greeting 8.
ただいま、ただいま、
I'm home. Say this when you come home. Repeat after me.
ただいま。
Greeting 9.
おかえりなさい。おかえりなさい。
Welcome home. Say this to welcome someone home. Repeat after me.
おかえりなさい。
Greeting 10.
さようなら。さようなら。
Goodbye. A polite way to say goodbye. Repeat after me.
さようなら。
Let's review.
おはようございます。こんにちは。こんばんは。はじめまして。よろしくお願いします。行ってきます。行ってらっしゃい。ただいま。おかえりなさい。さようなら。
Excellent. You learned 10 essential Japanese greetings today. Practice a little every day. Your Japanese will improve step by step. Thank you for learning with Nihongo Flow. See you in lesson 2. Bye.